Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have two different openings to discuss in this video, that is from Cognizant and one from the Siemens. So let's see in detailed format what are the eligibility criteria, who can apply, and everything in detailed format. Before that, if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon. So while you activate the bell icon, put this as all, so any videos we upload you will be getting notified. Okay, especially coming to this hiring videos, it is very important that you get notified every time, because the links will be only active for a particular time. So that time you should get notified and you have to make use of that opportunity. Okay, so we don't want you to miss any kind of opportunities, especially just try this. Okay, and there are immense materials for your online assessment, interview and interview experience and everything provided. So you can just go through and know like what all we provide, and you can make use of that as well. And if you further need any requirements for your placement journey, please let us know through comment section. We'll look forward for that as well. Okay, so let's go to the opening available from Cognizant. So Cognizant is hiring for the HR team, hiring for the graduate trainee, immediate PIS requirements. Any three graduates is fine. Okay, so this is the qualification criteria. Any three graduates belonging to 2019, 20 and 21st batch, passing out batches. Okay, so the last day to apply is on 30th of November. So previously there was a similar opening available and the deadline was almost in August. So if anybody missed to apply at that time, you can try applying at this time. Okay. That said, now the job functions will be customer or technical support, information technology. Okay, and the CTC provided is 2,52,000 per annum. Now you can just go through the job description and get to know like what all things you'll be performing there, being an employee, like being into this designation. Okay, and the eligibility criteria, they have mentioned it clearly. It's like, yeah, any three graduation program, 50% in 10th, 12th, diploma, UG, no standing arrears, maximum gap will be 2 years, PG, not eligible. So every criteria, they have mentioned it clearly. So this is particularly for these exclusion criteria. Okay, so if you have any areas, then you are excluded. If you have any gaps more than 2 years, then you are excluded. And if you are a PG student, you are excluded. Okay, so the criteria will be 3-year graduates, UG graduates, and you can belong to any of the like graduation. It's not specifically like 1 or 2. And batch criteria will be 2019, 20 and 21st, and no gap greater than 2 years and no standing arrears as of now. Okay, and 50% for your graduation too. Okay, so this is about the eligibility criteria mentioned. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the mail. So if you have already a profile under this, you can use that and apply to this job. Else you can register. Okay, start from the scratch and register and apply. So I'll show you how to register and apply through the superset by submitting all your information. Before that, if you are trying for TCS, NQT, Ninja, CodeBeta, whatever, we have a very glad news for you. We have a 21 days of live code crash coding session that does a complete guidance for your coding programming sessions. Okay, so if you are a person who have a bad knowledge in coding or you have an okay knowledge of coding and if you wish to improve, then this is a golden opportunity, because the teacher or the presenter of this code will be Upasana ma'am, who's a software developer at engineer at Flipkart. So you can see the characteristics of this course. So it's just available for you at 200 rupees. So you can see here, these are the features of the class. Recordings of the class will be available and automatically shared and useful for TCS NQT, TCS CodeVita and TCS Digital as well. Then live doubt clearing sessions will be there. You can just hear the classes, and whenever, wherever, if you just got some stuck on or any issues with some doubts, then you can directly ask. There is no like criteria regarding only this kind of doubts you can clear also. So every doubts or every concerns regarding the coding will be cleared through this session. And you can see the validity of this course is for 6 months. So 6 long months, all the materials with respect to this course will be available for you, and you can access this course both in your mobile phone or laptop or wherever. So you can see, if you're accessing through web, you can use this and open and type KFQRN in ORS code and click verify. So enter your mobile number, your OTP and verify, and go to the course store and choose a course. Okay, so this is how you have to explore through the web, and there's an application, mobile application as well. So you can make use of that also, and make sure you attend the schools. Okay, so this is indeed a very good opportunity for whoever who are trying for TCS Code Vita, then digital or Ninja, whatever. Okay, so every things will be updated exclusively for that. So this is a bright opportunity. And in previously, most of our students to confirm that most of the questions were similar, and they could make use of this opportunity well, and many of the students got placed. And those students experience, they have shared, a few of them have shared in our YouTube channel itself. You can just go and have a look at it. Okay, so all these things, all the view, all content details, everything will be provided there. Okay, so just go through the link that I've mentioned in the description, and just say it yourself, this course will be a perfect fit for you, and try applying to that. And it starts on 18th of this November and will be till 8th of this December. So before that, make your registration and start studying. Okay, so yes, now let's move on to the Cognizant application. So to apply for that, you can click on this apply and continue with the application. So I'll show you like how to register from the scratch. This is the application process. You have to go through your basic details, your everything, your personal phone number, address, and everything. You can give it here, and contact details too. That is your contact informations, and your most on recent education. That is, they have mentioned UG. Any 3-year UG students as the graduates applicable here. So all your details, like what is the scorecard that you received, and your overall percentage, where you learned, institution, everything. Okay, those kind of details. And next will be the previous education, that will be a 10th, 12th or diploma, those kind of education, your marks and your percentage, then from where you got that education, everything in detail. Then internship and work experience, if you have undergone any of the internship, then that, and work experience if you have, you can, or else you can completely skip that section. Or next will be the profile photo and documents in the sense your resume part, and profile photo, just go for a passport size photo, that will be better, like a plain background, most probably white, so that will go very well. So if you don't have that, make sure there are immense tools available in internet to change the background of the passport size photo. Just scan and upload, so that tools will help you to change the background and paste it over here. Okay, that's it. Then after that, submit your application for this particular opening. This is how you apply. Okay, and after that, after this on like registration deadline, you will receive mails, okay, regarding the further selection process, and that's how it will be getting proceeded. Okay, so that's about the opening in Cognizant. So next we have an opening from Siemens to discuss. So let's see the eligibility criteria, everything in detail. So here they are hiring for the software developer 0 to 1 years, and the location is Chennai. And if you can go with the link that I've mentioned in the description to apply for this job, and you can just go through the job description and get to know like what all things you'll be performing there. And yeah, this is the job responsibility. You should have a good knowledge on C, C++, Java, .NET, and Angular. You should have passed out in 2020 or will be passing year in 2021 are eligible. Okay, you must continuous education without any year or drop. Okay, there is no gap between your education. That's what they mean. And what do I need to be eligible for this role? That is your eligibility criteria. An engineering degree, BE, BTech, MCA, MTech, MSc, or any equivalent degree, 0 to 1 years of experience, self-determination, initiative, learning, communication skills, team player, analytics, result-oriented, customer focus, and professional ethics. So these are the qualities that you should have in yourself to apply for this role. Okay, make your mark in our exciting world at Siemens. So you can just go through and get to know like what are the benefits that you'll be having out to when you go for this particular company. Okay, so that's it, and just that's all about the criteria. Now to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So if you are not registered user, you can start logging out here. So you need to agree the terms and conditions, and you need to set a password and everything. So after that, I'll show you like what will be the application process. So this is the application process. You need to upload your resume. So after uploading that, form will be there to fill your personal information and everything. So every job opening requires your personal information, your education information, your resume. Some will be required of your profile photo. That's it. Okay. So these are the rough application process we have to take care of. So if you're very much interested in this on your eligibility criteria and your qualities do align each other, then try applying for the job. This is a bright opportunity. Okay. So coming to the CTC provided, the average CTC provided for the freshers in Siemens is 6 plus LPA. So you will be getting a high paid, obviously. So this is an average, and 0 to 1 years of experience is for the criteria. So according to that, it may vary. Okay. So that's about the openings available. So make sure you apply to all of the jobs which is applicable. So if you apply to 10 of them, then you will get the response at least from like 40 to 50% from them. Okay, so do our part, apply to wherever possible, and after that, like let's wait for the result. Okay, and also keep a constant eye on your mails. Maybe some mails that you will be receiving the follow back, maybe you would have missed them. So make sure you always check your mails as you check your WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook or whatever. Okay, so that's it. That's all I had today. So make sure you apply to the earliest, and just don't forget about the course that we have if you are trying for TCS online assessments. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's all I have today. If you have any further doubts, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.